Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me. I am Jason of the Greener Than the Greener Lawn. That's right, you heard me. I'm Jason of the Greener Than the Greener Lawn. That green though. Let's make her green, keep her green. 2019. As you may or may not be aware of, I won this shirt from Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Of the Greener Lawn. Love the shirt, dude. Thanks again. I won this shirt off his channel. He did a sub versus sub, so subscriber versus subscriber stripe off. Not a strip off, Jimmy. A stripe off. I ended up winning that in my category. That was pretty awesome. I did that with a DIY homemade, thought of it in the last 10 minutes striping kit. This right here is what won me this sweet shirt. All it was a little 1x4, put some holes into it, put some holes in the rear flap on the mower, attached them with zip ties. And I put 3 screws through this, Aldi brand coffee can. 3 screws in there, filled it up with sand. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. This is also a special video. I'm celebrating 500 subscribers. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it. Even if you don't watch all the videos. Thanks for being here for me. So as promised, if I got 500 subscribers, I'd get a striping kit. This is what I picked. This is the Lawn Striper. So this is just like the Toro Lawn Striper, but a little bit cheaper because it doesn't have the Toro sticker on it. We don't really care about stickers, do we? At least not when we have to pay for them. So let's put this together. Alright, it says you only need a screwdriver to put this thing together, so let's get started. Alright, we gotta set up the inner and outer clamps to the handlebars, so it says go about a third of the distance up here, so about right in here. Alright, looks like this goes with that. You want this on the lower third of the handlebar. Oh yeah, almost forgot something. Let's get to striping. Whew. It's hot out. Now the shirt's getting used. So, a couple things. It actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. It was very easy to maneuver, even though you had that, big heavy weight in the back. I was even able to back up and maneuver down in the ditch. I wasn't really able to do that with my homemade version. The homemade version had my favorite price though. But yeah, I like it. The reason why I went with this model instead of the Big League Lawn one, the striping kit from them, reason why I went with this one is because I can take this one off. The bracket stays on there, but I can remove that whole weight piece. The weight is what bends the grass, and the different directions that you bend the grass, that's why it creates the stripes. So yeah, I wanted to be able to take it off because I don't want to be striping my yard all the time, and I have parts of my yard that I don't really care about striping, and why tow around extra weight on the back when you don't have to? So that's the reason I went with this one. The reason I went with the lawn striper versus the Toro, it's the same exact thing, like I said, other than that sticker. And they're both made by the same company. They're both made in Wisconsin, just like me. So I got a little something for you guys. Because I've hit 500 subscribers, I've had something that I'd like to give to you for helping me out. So I want you to leave a comment down below what you like about my channel. Why do you watch it? What's your favorite thing about it? Just leave a good comment down there. I will give this away. This is a DJI Tello drone, mainly meant for indoors, but you can also fly it outdoors. Hooks up to your phone, uses Wi-Fi, so you can't go too far. There are some apps out there that you can use. You can go a little further, but you know, maybe you could get your own sweet stripe action shots. That'd be pretty cool. Or it's just a fun little toy to fly around and you know, annoy your kids and your pets with in the wintertime. So yeah, thank you for 500 subscribers. Like this video, comment what you like about my channel down below. You also have to be subscribed. I mean, you knew that anyway, right? Gotta be subscribed. Leave a comment down below. What do you like about my channel? And I will do a drawing. We'll pick one of the comments, make sure everyone's eligible. And that person, you'll get in touch with me and you'll get that prize. So, thanks again. We'll see you in the next video. It's so hot today. Yeah. Hey, I mean, Striper Man, what do you think of those stripes, huh? Little update on the X screen. It didn't burn. How's that for alpha grass?